Milo Aldrich is a young environmental activist from Castlemaine, Australia, born around 2005. She grew up in an eco-conscious family. Her mother, Susan Burke, is a psychologist specializing in the impacts of climate change. Her journey as a leader began at age 14 in 2018 when she co-founded the School Strike for Climate movement in Australia. Inspired by Greta Thunberg, Milo mobilized thousands of students to demand government action on the climate risk.
This is about the climate change protest because we want more action on climate change and we want a better future.
We're the ones in the long term who are going to be affected by it, and we're the ones who are going to see the fallout of it.
For her bravery, she was recognized as one of Australia's most influential young figures and received the Young Citizen of the Year award.
Okay, the second topic is the orientation, the beginning of Milo's story.
The next presenter is
Milo Aldrich grew up in a small town called Castlemaine in Victoria, Australia. As a young girl, she spent most of her time enjoying the beautiful forest and nature around her home. She had a very deep connection with the environment. However, as she grew older, she started to feel worried. She realized that the nature she loved was endangered because of climate change. For Milo, this wasn't just something she read in books. It was a scary reality that she felt every day.
the third topic is the complication dari conflict.
The situation became worse when Australia suffered from extreme heat waves and terrible bushfires. These fires happened because the weather was getting hotter and the land was very dry for a long time. Milo was terrified to see the sky turn orange and the air filled with smoke. She built a deep conflict inside because while the forests were burning, the government continued to support the coal mine. Coal is one of the main reasons for global warming. Milo felt that the leaders were choosing money over the safety of her generation's future.
Now is the climax, the turning point.
The next presenter is
And next is Climax, the turning point. Driven by her frustration, Milo decided to take action in late 2018. Inspired by Greta Thunberg, she and her friends started a movement called School Strike for Climate in Australia. The climax is her journey was when she led thousands of students to leave their classroom and protest on the streets of Melbourne.
Our future leaders are fighting issues now, not later. A few thousand putting down pens and picking up signs as students skipped school for the streets of Sydney. And they were united in this call with voices ringing out across the state and right around the country.
I guess it's our future.
She stood bravely in front of a huge crowd and demanded that the government stop the Adani Carmichael Coal Mine project. She stood her fear into a powerful speech, calling for a shift to 100% clean energy.
okay, and then now is a resolution, the result of her action.
The next presenter
This bravery led to real change in Australia. Even though some politicians told the students to stay in school, the movement grew even bigger. In 2019, over 300,000 people across the country joined the strike. This was a concrete resolution. Milo action for the government and the public to act seriously about climate law. She proved that young people have the power of influence national politics and protect the environment.
Okay, for the last topic is reorientation.
Today, Milo Albert is a symbol of hope for young activists everywhere. Her story teaches us that loving nature means we must be brave enough to fight for it. She shows that a voice from a small town can create a global wave of change. By fighting against coal and fossil fuel, Milo has given her generation a chance for a greener and safer future. She reminds us that the planet is worth it fighting for, no matter how young we are.
Keep up with what we learn today can motivate us.
Thank you for your nice attention.